Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if your rear door does not unlock when you unlock your car or when you press the unlock button on your remote control, we'll explain guys what can cause that now. Quick introduction, we guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, and why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, any tools, anything to repair your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find parts for really good price and fast shipping as well, so check it out. Now, a few things that can go bad guys with the rear door not to unlock, and we're going to cover all that today from start to finish guys. If you need to see how to remove any components on the rear door guys, all that will be on the channel. We have enormous amount of videos. So, what guys controls your door to lock and unlock? You have only one cable, right here. You have actually 4 wires in the rear door. One's for the window motor, one is for the door lock actuator, one for the speaker, and one for the window switch. Okay, right there. Now, this wire guys right here is connected to the door lock actuator. This is your door lock actuator guys. And the things that can go bad if your door does not lock or unlock guys is bad door lock actuator. This is a common problem guys. Why? Because every time, let's say you put the car in park or in drive, the doors lock, unlock, and after a while those things tend to break. Not just on Chevy guys, on any car, because that thing will be functioning all the time. Locking, unlocking, it has plastic mechanism inside that eventually wears out and it cracks and it breaks. So it can get stuck either unlocking or locking the door guys. It really depends. It may work only one way. If you guys need to buy a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. This is guys, 8 out of 10 times it will be that reason. What else could go wrong? Now, you always need to check your door lock actuator cable that it is not actually pinched by the window. What we had happened in the past before guys, it was the wires got stuck between the window here, and every time you roll the window down you will hit the wires, eventually it cut the wires, and what happened? It quit working. So we actually bought a new door lock actuator without even taking the car apart, and it ended up just being wires guys. So that wasn't that wasn't the case, but where we get our parts from, usually you can return them, so check out the link and get a refund. But 8 out of 10 times it's a door lock actuator. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to figure something like that out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.